Dear students of class 6, this is the video of exercise 21 of chapter 21. In this exercise, we have to discuss about the statement and the figure form of any type of statement, means algebraic form. Or some questions are there in which the value of variable is given and simply use the variable and find out the variable of the equation. So let's see how we can solve the questions of exercise 21. Let's begin. This is the question number 17. In this question, the value of x and y is given. We have to find out the value 50x by square. Part 2. Question number 17, part 2. X is 2 and y is 10. Then find out the value of 50x by square. So simply place the value of these x and y. Value of x is 2. Simply place x is equal to 2. In place of y, simply place 10. This is y square means 10 square. 52 ja 100 and 10 square means 10 into 10. How can we solve square? 10 square means 10 into 10. So it will be 10 10 ja 100. So this is 100 into 100 will be 10,000 there. Okay. Similarly, third part, 10x square. This is 10x whole square. 10x whole square. So 10 into x. X means 2. 10 to 20. Then square will remain there of 20. 20 into 20 will be 400. Similarly, question number 21. In this question also, m is equal to given minus 8. The value of m is minus 8. Find out the value of m square plus 9m. So simply wherever m is written there, so place minus 8 in place of m. Then m square plus 9m will be minus 8 square plus 9 into minus 8. Minus 8 into minus 8. Minus 8 square means minus 8 will be multiplied 2 times. Minus into minus will be plus there. And 8 into 8, 8 4 ja, 8 8 ja, 64. Minus 9 8 ja, 72. Then this is 64 minus 72. So minus 8 will remain answer there. Question number 21. Next part, that is part 3. In the part 3rd, the value of m is already given minus 8. Then in place of m, place minus 8. Then square upon 4. 8 8 ja 64. Minus into minus will be plus. Then 64 upon 4. Simply divide 64 by 4. 16 4 ja 64. So the value of this equation, oh sorry, not equation, this expression is 16 sorry. Question 27 part 2. This is the value of x is minus 5. Value of y is minus 8. Use these values, value of x and value of y. Place these two values in the given expression. Value of the expression will be there. In place of x, we will place minus 5. In place of y, we will place minus 8. 2x by square. Then 2, this is x, this is y, and this is square. 5 2 ja 10. This will be minus 10 into minus 8 into minus 8. 8 8 ja 64. You know, minus into minus will be plus there. 64 into minus 10. So this is 640 and minus into plus will be minus. Minus 640 will be the answer there. Similarly, question number 30. In this question, the question is the total wages represented by W. Total wages. Wages means the per day wages means the mazduri. Total wages is W. This is the total wages. मतलब पूरी मजदूरी दिन भर की. At the rate of X. In the question is given total wages W at the rate of X 1 hour. The rate of x for working 1 hour. 1 घंटे काम करने का जो वेज है मतलब मजदूरी है वो x रुपीस है. टोटल मजदूरी w रुपीस है. और t आवर्स तक टाइम काम किया मतलब x t आवर्स तक टोटल काम किया तो हो जाएगा w. ये क्वेश्चन ने बोला है. ठीक है. गिवन वैल्यूज आर 40 आवर्स तक काम किया. देन वैल्यू ऑफ 1 आवर इज 39.45 रुपीस. Simply place the value in this given equation. W is equal to xt. It means 39.45 multiplied by 40. So it will be 1578.00. 00 will be left there. Then W will be 1578 rupees. This will be the total wages of the person. working 40 hours at the rate of 39.45 rupees per hour. Question number 31. This is the conversion of temperature. Degree Celsius is given. The temperature in degree Celsius, this is 40 degree Celsius. We have to convert this temperature into degree Fahrenheit. You know, F is equal to 5 upon 9 multiply with C plus 32. Simply place the value of C in this equation or in this formula. F is equal to 9 upon 5 will remain as it is into 40 plus 32. 40 will be cancelled by 5 easily 8 times. 9 into 8, 5 is 40. So 9 into 8 plus 32. 9 8 is 72 plus 32. Simply add them. 72 plus 32 will be 104 degree Fahrenheit. This will be the answer of